Okay, do you know what it's like to be a puppet? A puppet porcupine with a squirrel nesting in your window? My hair looks like a nest. Lots of wool is left. Hey, how about those leaves? Yeah, I think you might be doing a better configuration with your leaves than we are with ours. Yeah, go Leafs, go! Gotta love the Leafs. Yeah! Go!
Yeah!
Go.
Yeah! Yeah!
They scored! Are you as tired as me? Want that? Want this? I'm getting you right in the face. Boomity, boomity, boom. Want that? You want a Triscuit? Who doesn't like Triscuits? Is Lupul out for the season? Okay, is that unbelievable or what? Yeah. Yeah, huh? Uh-huh. No. Yeah. Yeah, sorta. Uh-huh. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Uh-huh. Whoa, don't show this to anyone. Do you have any money? How's my hair?